Have you ever wondered if SoundCloud is still worth your time in 2026? If you love discovering music you can't find anywhere else, this app might be exactly what you need, but is it really the best choice for everyone? Let's break it down. SoundCloud started as a platform for anyone to upload music without needing a label, and that freedom is still its biggest strength. Today, it's a mix of a streaming service and a hub for independent artists, remixes, DJ sets, and tracks that mainstream platforms simply don't carry. This is where SoundCloud shines. If you want music beyond the charts, this is one of the best places to find it. You can use SoundCloud for free, which gives you access to a huge amount of content. But there are ads and some interruptions in your listening experience. If you want a smoother experience, their paid tiers remove ads, let you listen offline, and offer higher quality streams. Some users swear by it for discovering rare tracks, while others find the free version frustrating because of frequent interruptions. One thing to know is that SoundCloud's audio quality can be inconsistent. Some songs sound crisp and professional, but because anyone can upload tracks, you'll also find tracks that are low quality. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth keeping in mind if you're used to polished streaming apps. The app experience itself has had ups and downs. On mobile, some users report crashes, login issues, or problems with offline tracks. Desktop users generally find it more stable, but glitches and bugs can pop up. Customer support isn't always fast either, so that's something to consider if you want a completely hassle-free experience. For creators, SoundCloud is still a solid choice. You can upload tracks, share music without a label, see analytics, and even monetize through fan subscriptions. The community aspect also helps new artists get discovered. But monetization isn't perfect, and some creators find the payout structure confusing or limited. What really sets SoundCloud apart is its social features. You can comment on specific moments in tracks, repost your favorite songs, and interact with the community. It creates a sense of connection you won't get on every streaming app. However, it can also feel a bit noisy with all the remixes and unofficial uploads. So who is SoundCloud really for? It's perfect for music explorers, fans of underground tracks, and artists who want a platform to share music freely. It might not be the best option if you want mainstream catalog coverage, ultra-stable performance, or premium support. In the end, SoundCloud remains unique in 2026. Its strength lies in variety and freedom, giving you access to music you won't hear anywhere else. Its weaknesses are app stability, ads, and inconsistent support. If discovering hidden gems matters more to you than a perfectly polished app experience, it's definitely worth trying. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future app reviews.